Two Guys, Coffee, and Business Podcast.
All right, we're back. It is episode 10 of season 1, the final episode. Believe we made it this far?
No, and I'm a little sad that this is the last one for the season.
Are you?
Yeah, it was a lot of fun. I had a good time.
It was. I mean, after the first episode, the hooks were out. I thought it was done. We were over.
Yeah.
But no, we fought back hard. We're still here.
Yep, that's right.
That's right. Season 2 is going to be bigger, better.
Yeah, we're working on making improvements for you guys, the viewers.
That's right. Better
Hopefully-
sound quality and
Yeah.
bigger guests,
Yeah.
better guests. So, if we look back at our podcast for the first season, do you happen to have a favorite one?
Oh, I thought AI was pretty fun to talk about.
Really?
And here's what I'm gonna say though. Sadly, we did it like right away.
Yeah.
And we were like just learning how to kind of get
Speak.
ourselves speak. I don't know, because I just thought it was a fun topic.
It was. Have you heard anything new and interesting with AI?
I'm trying to think. I feel like I have.
It's just not coming to you right
Yeah.
now.
What about you?
I just read something about, I gotta remember here too. So it was automation with Facebook Messenger. So these artificial intelligence is combining with an automation platform, and they're sending promotions and marketing messages through Facebook Messenger, because your generation tends to go through Messenger as opposed to email.
Right.
And so they're automating questions that people are most likely to ask and having artificial intelligence answer it and that type of thing. So it's kind of
Wow.
crazy.
That is pretty cool.
Yeah.
I mean, there's advances every day.
No,
It's just
no.
crazy.
It's going to change the whole working force going forward.
Right.
We will be out of a job. This will be automated.
Yeah.
We'll have some little robot sitting here just whatever.
So you can catch me on the golf course in the future?
That's right. Somebody's got to run the robot.
Yeah.
Oh, that's great. Yeah, AI is definitely a very, very interesting topic, and I agree with you. One of the more fun ones.
Yeah. What was your favorite?
So I would have to say that AI was also a good one, but I kind of liked operating systems. Just because, I guess disgruntled Apple user at the moment.
Yeah, me too.
So they hear different perspectives and different things about, whatever it is. It's pretty good. We didn't talk too much about the BlackBerry operating system.
Oh yeah, that's right, we did.
They've got some pretty cool phones. I checked into it. So
They still make
they
BlackBerries?
Yeah, they make like big screen BlackBerries now.
Wow.
Full touch screen. They also have ones with the keyboard or whatever.
Yeah, yeah.
Maybe they call it like a QRLS keyboard or whatever it was. Full keyboard.
Interesting.
QWRTY or something. Yeah, it was pretty cool. So, what do you envision for season 2?
Bigger and better things.
Bigger and better things?
Yeah, who knows? Hopefully our viewers will maybe leave some comments and
Yeah.
let us know what they want to hear.
That would be good.
But I guess I'm excited for Tenerife to be coming out. Maybe we'll be showing some stuff with that in the future, or talking about it at least.
Yeah.
I don't know, I guess just more cloud-based
Yeah.
topics.
Big question.
Yeah.
Will we at some point in season 2? Well, maybe not season 2. Well, let's say within the next couple of seasons. Will we at some point get to talk about a Bears team making it to the playoffs?
Oh, if this was a sports podcast, we'd be here for hours.
They do use Microsoft Surface.
You're right.
See?
Yep.
But
I do see good things for the Bears. They're really young. They got a lot of money to spend. Good draft pick. A lot of draft picks right now.
Don't you have a fun fact for us?
Yeah. So Kyle Long is the youngest Bear right now at 29 years old.
Wow.
Which is just a couple of years older than I am. So that's pretty cool.
Poor guy won't be on the Super Bowl team.
Yeah, no, he probably won't. But yeah, no, I see good things happening in the future. I don't know.
Couple of years playoffs this year. Gotta put him in the spot.
Yeah.
He's a Packers fan.
No, definitely not a Packer fan. Although, shout out Brian Balaga, he went to my high school. I could potentially see it happening within the next 2 years.
Depending on the quarterback.
Yeah.
That's what it all comes down to nowadays.
I guess we'll have to agree to disagree there. I think that there's a lot going on behind the scenes other than just quarterback. I think coach, play calling.
It's all new.
Right. I mean, everything's new. But Jay Cutler had a new coach and system every
my God, poor guy.
couple of years. So
Poor guy.
yeah.
So that we could segue that. Imagine learning a brand new ERP system every year and having to excel at it. Right?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Crazy.
Poor guy.
Although I've kind of been doing that now.
Yeah.
Because first coming in and learning Dynamics 365 Business Edition,
Right.
now all of a sudden, nope, we're gonna go with Tenerife.
Yeah, and you got to learn CRM and Nav and
Right.
Skype and Office 365 and all that good stuff.
Yeah.
That's why you're the business solution specialist. He knows it all.
Yeah.
So if you want to connect the Rammer frame with the Potanopus, he's the guy.
Yeah, that's right. Call me.
Oh, that's too funny. But that's crazy. I mean, so if you, it's just like if you had to learn a new ERP system, it's basically learning a new football system and play calling every
Right.
year.
That's a lot.
No way, yeah, there's no way you could excel.
No.
You'd just be a genius.
Yeah.
And I want Peyton Manning.
Yeah. Right.
Although he pretty much kept his own system for hogging along, you know what I mean? So
Yeah. What do you think about the Bears? Think there's hope?
this year, no. I'm a Bears fan. Don't hate me. But this year, no, they're not. I mean, come on, you're gonna have to be better than Minnesota. Green Bay's got Aaron Rodgers coming back, and Detroit. Detroit, okay, fine. You might have a shot. Let's put it that way. But Minnesota and Green Bay. Minnesota against Kirk Cousins. Look out.
Yeah, I'm a big Kirk Cousins
Look out.
fan,
So am I.
so I think that could be big.
Did he go to Alabama or something?
No, he didn't. Roll Tide, but he did not go there. I'm also excited, speaking of Roll Tide, I'm excited for AJ McCarron to
Oh.
finally make an appearance.
Did he actually get signed with Cleveland?
No, he hasn't been signed yet, but I know he's going to get signed somewhere. He's,
I know Cleveland wants him.
yeah. Hopefully hopefully he's the exception to their quarterback rule. But we'll
Well,
see.
I mean, they got, what's his face, is it Josh Gordon, right?
Yeah.
So, I mean, he's got some decent receivers. They got a lot of picks, and they could be
Right.
a good team.
I agree. I think I could see them flipping things around real
Yeah.
quick. And
They were in every game last year,
right.
so, yeah, that's definitely gonna be interesting.
Yeah. So did you maybe have a least favorite
That I-
topic to be talked about?
Least favorite? Well, let's see, I mean, I like talking about the jet reports and the Power BI. I thought that was fun, just to kind of debate or whatever.
Yeah.
Cloud versus on-prem is always fun. Internet of Things is definitely picking up. I feel like we didn't have too much content or too much substance to that one, just because we're not really experts on it.
Right.
You know what I mean? I'd probably have to say the Internet of Things. We should probably revisit that maybe season 2 and
Right.
get a little bit more on our game and see if we can do a little bit better with it.
Yeah, I'd have to agree with you a lot there, just because I feel like, yeah, like kind of like what you said, we just didn't. We weren't experts on it.
Yeah, we were just talking about it.
Yeah.
I mean, it's come a long way, especially with all the Google Homes and Alexas, and
Right.
controlling whatever you want to control nowadays.
Yeah.
I just saw Cadillac released a car, and the ad was going at Tesla. They are the first car that can go on the highway, and you don't have to actually steer it. On the highway.
Wow.
Yeah.
I think it was Tesla. They're coming out with a taxi, like an Uber.
Oh, I read about this too.
But it's
self-driving.
there's no driver.
Yeah,
I mean,
I just read about it.
a car just comes, picks you up, and
Yeah.
You're on the
I heard
way.
they want to get into public transportation too.
Wow.
With that.
That's kind of creepy.
Yeah, I mean, I guess to a point.
It's just, I mean, a robot's coming to pick you up, take you to your
But the
destination.
thing that I heard, they were worried about security, so they're gonna have to figure out something. Did you read, maybe read some article, to where, so when you call or whatever and get it,
Right.
your phone is actually the only thing that can unlock the door for you to get in the car.
Oh,
What do they do about theft? Can you just get in and drive?
this is why I'm not in the automation
Yeah.
car, fully
Yeah.
automated car business. I don't know. I don't know what you do.
No more delivery. I mean, you can have automated pizza deliveries, and
Right.
you just come out and pick it up at the driveway. Wow.
It's kind of crazy.
Interesting workforce in 20 years.
That's why, I mean, everybody's job is just going to be,
Yeah. Gone.
yeah.
Finito. Gone. That's gonna be nuts. So you think Internet of Things was your least favorite as well?
Yeah, I mean, I really liked the Jet Reports deep dive. That was fun getting Tristan,
Yeah.
out here, and
He's always knowledgeable.
Yeah,
Very experienced,
it was-
great talker.
right, it's awesome. So
Makes it easier for us.
yeah, exactly. We didn't have to say a whole lot, and he was able to just rock it. Honestly, I thought they were all of our episodes were really good. I thought.
Yeah. The topic choice was great.
Right, I really enjoyed all of them, but if I were to say my least favorite, it would be Internet of Things.
Internet of Things.
Yep.
Yeah. Are you looking at the season?
Yeah, I got our, I'm cheating.
Oh, that's okay.
I have our podcast page, solstice.com, go to resources, podcast,
That's right.
that's where you'll find them all.
So, which one was it that was our favorite one that had the most views? Was it why? Is there a why switch from ERP or something on there?
Yeah, there is a Y switch ERP systems. That one was,
That was the most, well, not say viewed, but the most listened to
right.
podcast that we had.
Yeah.
Although the ones that we put up the other day, doing pretty good, so they might,
The operating system and the,
they are, yeah, so they might overtake it. But as of right now, why switch ERP is the most popular one.
anybody
Check it
know?
out.
Does anybody know?
Yeah. If you're using 10 different softwares, it's not going good, you're frustrated, you're switching in between and out of programs.
Call me.
That's right. That's when you want to switch ERP systems. Oh, too funny. So season 2, we got a pretty big announcement, at least from the Microsoft Dynamics world. And we're going to have one of our experts, one of our own, Ken Sebahar, on joining us for our podcast. He's widely considered a phenomenal expert for Microsoft Dynamics, all throughout Microsoft and everything like that.
Yeah.
So that should be interesting.
Yeah, I'm excited. I mean, every time he tells me something, my mind's just kind of blown, like, wow, Nav can do that?
Yep, yeah,
So, I mean,
exactly.
it's awesome. He just knows everything Nav.
He does, yeah. So we're gonna have to play a little devil's advocate, just to kind of make it interesting.
Yeah.
Try to stump the expert type of thing.
Right.
You know what I mean? So that might even be, hey, the topic. Send your questions in.
Yeah, there we go.
Stump the expert.
Yeah, do you think you can stump him?
Yeah.
I don't know.
I do know. Not having. We try.
Yeah.
So that'll be a really good season 2 opener.
Yeah,
Looking forward to that one.
yeah, definitely. Do you have any other topics in mind, maybe? That,
For season 2?
yeah.
Yeah, that's a great question. I think we could get, I don't know, like I said, I'd like to revisit Internet of Things. Probably talk more about Azure,
Yeah.
what its capabilities are, what people are doing with Azure.
Right.
I'd like to maybe reach out and get more ISVs on the show. Maybe even convince Mr. Mike Silver himself
Oh,
for a podcast, maybe to sit in and talk about him and what Microsoft has going on.
yeah, that'd be cool.
I'm sure we'll do a special on Tenerife whenever it gets announced or whatnot.
Right.
What about you?
Yeah, Azure was really the one that we didn't get to that I wanted to.
Yeah.
I just thought that was, but I mean, again, it's, if we do it now, I mean, what's going to change in the next
Yeah, it's picking up
couple months?
fast.
I mean, it's just,
picking up real fast.
right. So it's kind of like Internet of Things. It's something you have to revisit.
All the time.
So, I don't know, there's there's a lot happening with it. It's pretty cool. I'm excited.
So if you were a startup company, would you go in the cloud, or would you try to get a server and do on-prem, or what?
I'd go in the cloud because then you don't have to worry about any sort of like space available or usage. And
Maybe we should define what the cloud is. I kind of feel like a lot of people don't know what the cloud is when we say the cloud.
right.
So to me, the cloud is basically, if you picture a cloud above you, or above everything, let's just say, right? It's this place where you can just store everything you want, right? You can put
Yeah.
operating systems on it,
Right.
files, folders, whatever it is you want, and because it's above you and across everything, you can access it from anywhere.
Right. Yeah,
I
that's
probably explained that bad. but-
no. That made perfect sense in my mind. That's how I would explain it. Probably not as good as you did, but yeah, that's a good description.
Yeah, and it's, because I remember when Microsoft first came out, they had this commercial about, it was like parents talking to kids, and things were going on, like Microsoft Cloud, it's, whatever, it's everywhere. And I was like, what is the cloud? What are they talking about?
That's creepy. You're everywhere.
Yeah, because the cloud meant nothing, I mean, maybe back then, this is like in 2013, let's say.
Okay.
I'm like, the cloud, is it any video chat? I can video chat anywhere from anything?
Right.
Just through my TV, So, I still think it's a little confusing to some.
Right.
Azure, I know, is pretty confusing to everybody.
Yeah, definitely.
That's not in the business.
Right.
Even to a lot of us in the
Right.
business. So, we'll definitely hit that topic.
Yeah, that'd be a fun one.
Any more? Any other thoughts on it?
As of right now, those are I like the idea of getting more ISVs involved.
Yeah.
Just because, once you have nav up and running, what else can you do with it? There's
Yeah.
endless numbers of extensions you can put on. And
I agree.
how do you know?
Right.
So
No, for sure.
maybe that'll help you guys out.
I'd like to venture into maybe doing a manufacturing themed podcast.
Yeah.
Because we primarily work with manufacturers and distributors and things like that, but if we can talk a little bit more during one podcast about what exactly it is we do for manufacturers, or maybe print companies, or maybe a little bit more specific than overall topics.
Yeah,
I think it'd be two different.
That's awesome.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah.
All right, so you heard it here first. Season 2, we're going to go with a bang. Better sound quality, different guests, more guests, and Tom is going to be talking about more of his traveling.
Yeah.
Mr. Worldwide.
Absolutely. Somebody's got to do it.
I completely agree. I completely agree with you. And that's all that I got for the recap.
Yeah, that was that pretty much hit all of them. Hope you guys enjoyed.
One thing real quick. Bears predictions for next season.
Record?
Record, yep. Oof. Come on. All right, you want me to go on record first?
Yeah.
I'm going to go with, nobody hate me here, 4-12.
Ooh.
Yeah, oof. Aaron Rodgers will be back. I mean, you're not going to beat Green Bay.
So I'm not gonna be all
Pessimistic.
high and mighty and think that we're going 16-0, like maybe some people in
Yeah,
our office.
exactly.
And I'm not gonna be as low as you. I think we're gonna go 8-8.
8-8. Better than previous, what? 3 seasons?
Yeah.
Maybe more?
I really think that Matt Nagy is gonna be the coach. I think
Yeah.
he's.
First year 8-8. I hope so. I really do.
I haven't heard a bad thing about him. Apparently, all the players that have played for him just love him.
Yeah.
And I think that's huge in football. It's a really mental game. So I mean, if you're all upset and don't really know what to do, then
Yeah.
you're not going to play well.
Completely agree. 8-8 though, I don't know, I hope so. I really do.
I'll see.
But I hope so.
We'll see.
All right, you heard it here first. 500 team and below 500 over here, I say. So until next season, I am Michael Intravartolo, and I'm here with
Tom Dortch, Mr. Worldwide.
Thanks, everybody.